If you're wondering why you're missing updates from the YouTube channels that you love, there's a quiet default setting letting YouTube prioritize different information. And I'm going to show you how to take back control of what you see and what you don't. Back in late 2020, YouTube made this change to the algorithm. And it's actually they say two-step, but it's really a three-step process to be able to be notified of channels that you want to see. So the first thing you'll notice is that black button that says subscribe. Obviously, you've got to click the subscribe button. When you do, it'll turn red, and then it will show subscribed, and it'll turn gray. So you would think that's enough, but it's not. It shows that you're subscribed, but you have to then hit on that bell, and you get a drop-down message. When you look at your settings, you're going to see that in all probability, if you didn't know this, that it's going to have the second option personalized marked. Personalized means that YouTube decides what part of my content they'll notify you about and what part they don't. So for many of you, if you're not getting any notifications, this is why. Then once you see that, what you have to actually do is go and personally click the All button, which is the first button. When you click the All button, the menu disappears and you don't know if it worked. But when you check, you can again hit the bell and it should now say All. So that's just one more little trick about how they control the information that we're getting. I had no idea about this, even though it's several years old. So what happens is the corporate interests get a priority when they get to choose. Obviously, they're going to choose to notify you about people that they make good money from. So that's the way it works. Just another quick tip if you want to be able to control the content that you see on YouTube.